This is our GPS-6 3-phase over/undervoltage protector. The upper end is connected to the 3-phase power incoming line. The lower end is experiencing load connection. Power on. Default power on delay is 5 seconds. Time up, load is powered on. The panel displays the voltage and current values of each phase. The on/off of the load can be controlled through the button. Press the Set button to enter the function menu. Here, you can set the power on delay time, overvoltage and undervoltage values, etc. Now we will reduce the voltage. Trigger undervoltage protection when the voltage is lower than 170 volts. Load disconnection. Restore the voltage to above 175 volts, entering the countdown with 30 seconds. Time up, load is powered on. Raise the voltage. When the voltage exceeds 270 volts, overvoltage protection is triggered. Load disconnection. Restore the voltage to below 265 volts, entering the countdown with 30 seconds. Time up, load is powered on.